My name is Kris Thurston. The title of my poem is Mother Courage. I have one photograph of my father in the ART production of Mother Courage and Her Children in February 2001. In the photo, Mother Courage is talking to my father, who plays the old colonel in this piece set in the 30 Years' War. He's dressed in his uniform, gray hat and greatcoat. She's wearing a ratty fur wrap and a crocheted cap. He wrinkles his forehead, puzzled, as she brushes her finger on his arm. Brecht wrote this play in exile in Sweden, Germany already lost in 1938. My father doesn't know that he is at his high point as an actor, doesn't know that my mother would die that September, not in the towers, not in the plains, but of cancer, at the beginning of our own long war, that still hadn't ended when he died, 11 years after a time when war seemed like a memory, February 2001. Thank you.